Hi, and welcome to a journey to a better life. We've been on the property now for about a month, and these are some of the things we had to do. Day one, we got here and there was a dead sheep in the yard. So we got the family up first thing in the morning and we dug a hole and gave it a burial. Valet, Mr. Puniverse. Ooh, a kangaroo. We sparked up the smoker, got a nice roast pork, bit of a brisket, and smoked it up for lunch. We planted some strawberries, then went out to look in the garden for some veggies, where we found some carrots and we found some yolk. These are a indigenous food that we decided to give a go. We peeled them like a carrot, we cut them into strips, and we turned them into type of chip, I suppose. Bit of oil, bit of pepper, and baked them up. They're actually really nice. Quite a different taste, bit of a pear-like texture, and quite sweet. We've had to clear a lot of the property, which is cutting things up with chainsaws and throwing them on the bonfire. Oh, it's a satin bowerbird. Made up enough soup there, veggie soup, to last us a few weeks. So we could have some frozen, so that if for any reason we couldn't get into town, we could just heat up some of the soup. Also decided to turn the garage into a bit of a cave. We'll give you some updates on that later. Then we decided we needed to plant some trees. We planted about 4 cherry trees, a couple of nectarines, a few peach trees, a few apple trees, and a few citrus trees. Most of them were bare root, and we did a very strong mix of fertilizers. Ooh, a kangaroo. Everything we're using is natural and organic. Need to get some decent tools out to dig the holes, because we have a bit of clay soil under some of our nice topsoil. We had a few citrus that were not bare root. They were just straight from the nursery, and planted them in a similar style. Oh look, a king parrot. Bought a Husqvarna right on 60-inch lawnmower to start doing the lawns. Got halfway around and then got attacked by a nesting plover, so the middle of the lawn remains unmowed. Down the road we have Cape Conran and we have the Yirrung River, which are both awesome places for a bit of a break. Join us next week as we start to build up our sustainability repertoire.